main strategy, look at the probability of a Fed rate hike, Fed rate cuts in the future. So let me grab a quick drink and we'll look at the Fed rate monitor tool, the CME Fed Watch tool, and again look at the probabilities of a Fed rate hike this week and also going forward hikes and or cuts in the future. Okay, so you can access these tools via the links in our notes. We also have a couple videos about how to use the Fed Rate Monitor tool as well as the Fed Watch tool. You can also find these tools at any time on our homepage under the links section. So if you go to our homepage, beachbumtrading.com, at any time, these particular tools are under the reference link, so you can see the CME Fed Watch tool, so I'll bring that one up. And then also the Fed Rate Monitor tool. So we'll look at the Fed Rate Monitor tool first. So this is also on investing.com, so you can also find it there. So you see the countdown to the Fed interest rate decision. December 13th at 1, we'll get the actual decision. You can see right now the probability of holding, no raise is 97%. Got about a 3% chance of a raise. So again, the market's been expecting the Fed to hold, and that would be perceived as, a Santa giving us a present. Again, they're more dovish in their comments. So if we go forward a little bit into January, we're still on hold, 93% hold, got a 4% cut, 3% raise. We go out to March, again, 50% hold. We've got a 43% cut. So the probability, they adjusted the probability of the first cut, I think, down a little bit. We'll see another graph. We can see the history of these probabilities. So, but 43% chance to cut in March. May, we've got a 50% chance of cut. So the market is currently pricing in a Fed rate cut in either March or May. We're not quite over 50%. But by June, we're definitely more than 50%. They would have at least one cut, if not two cuts. So 42% say at least two cuts. So let's look at the change in probability. You can look at how it's changed. So it was 54% before we got the jobs data, then it went down to 43%, and a week ago it was 55%. So again, that jobs data had an impact on when the market expected the Fed to start cutting. Now it's, pushed it out a little bit. Again, because the potential inflation is wage inflation might be a little higher than they want, and also the job market continues to be resilient, so they can be aggressive with their rate hikes. So they didn't push up the probability of a rate increase very much, but they did adjust down the probability of a rate cut and push that out a little bit. So we'll also look at the CME Fed Watch tool. Another way you can view these probabilities of slightly similar but slightly different data. So again, we've got a countdown clock. We've got, again, 97% chance they're going to hold, very small 3% chance they're going to raise. If we go out to January, again, 93% they're going to hold, small percent raise, small percent cut. Now again, March, we got that 43%, we got 53% hold, 43% cut. And then again, May, it's almost a 50% chance they cut once, 26% chance they cut a half point or twice, and a 22% chance they're going to hold. So again, no rate hikes priced in, and we've got, cuts priced in. So here they are pricing in 3 rate cuts by June. So I think, my humble opinion, again, not financial advice, but I think these the market pricing in all these cuts is very overly optimistic. I could say delusional. The Fed's told us they're going to hold rates higher for longer, and I don't think they're going to be cutting. I don't think they're going to be cutting in 24. We don't have any signs really of a recession. GDP's been strong, the job market's strong. I know some people are speculating there's going to be a recession. Again, my personal opinion, I don't think we're going to have a recession, whether you call that a soft landing or what. Again, with the job market staying resilient, the economy, the GDP's fine. They really want to get inflation under control. So again, my opinion, you all in the chat and in the comments can let me know what you think. But I hope that all helps. And again, these as the data comes out this week, these probabilities will adjust according to how the market, prices in these probabilities. So you can, again, keep an eye on these tools as the data comes out, see how those probabilities change. But again, we expect, the FOMC is going to be Santa this year. They're going to hold. We'll have to, again, listen to Powell's comments, see if they're more dovish. But again, I expect the same story, higher for longer, data dependent. They're willing to raise again if they need to. So if inflation rears its ugly head again, they'll raise interest rates slightly to get to their 2% target. So again, our other strategies, we've been talking about how to make money trading in December. That was our theme from last week. So you can hear our strategies from last week in the separate video via the link here in the notes, also on our BeachBum trading channel. Also, we released the short videos on how the markets typically perform in December and what are the best performing sectors and industries, how to make money trading in December. And then again, going forward, we'll be talking about the Santa Claus rally, so you can hear about what that is, what the time frame is, what does that mean for the markets. We've also been talking about tax loss harvesting. So again, as we get closer to the holidays, to the end of the year, the pressure on, big losers is going to be higher until people, have taken their tax loss, harvested their tax losses, and then they'll, potentially buy those back early next year. And again, if you're not familiar with how that works, what does it mean? How does it work? We have a whole video on tax loss harvesting and how that works. So if you need to benefit from that, or if you can benefit from that, you can hear about that in that video. Again, we do most of our trading in retirement accounts, so this doesn't generally apply to us. And we're not tax attorneys or tax lawyers. If you would like a referral for a tax attorney, how you can take advantage of tax loss harvesting or any other end of year changes. Other things you want to consider is putting money into retirement accounts and taking advantage of those tax advantages, etc. So we use Mark J. Kohler, and you can get a reference to Mark J. Kohler, schedule an appointment, etc. with one of their attorneys via the link in our notes, also under a business resources category on our webpage. So we have other business resources as well. Also, we've got a whole video about the wash sale. You can't buy back the same security that you're harvesting a tax loss on within 30 days, or you're going to lose the benefit of that tax loss. And you can hear more information about how wash sales work, how to avoid, invalidating your tax loss harvesting via that video. We've also got several coming out on how the stock markets perform in the winter. So December, January, February, we'll be releasing these short videos in the near future as well. And then we'll start talking about, again, the Santa Claus rally and the January effect towards the end of the month, so we can position accordingly and take advantage of those upcoming historical trends. The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch lists, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the BeachBum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration. Another way that you can help support BeachBum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our BeachBum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for BeachBum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support BeachBum Trading in whatever amount that you wish. and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow BeachBum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.